What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers, so please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. Put any amount of money in that brokerage account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks for just trying out the brokerage account. Now, let me tell you something. Those free stocks can be valued up to $30,600. So if you're interested in that, guys, click on that link down in the description box. Open up your new brokerage account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I read an article recently that said the recession is over. This article is saying that 2022 was actually the recession. The first 2 quarters of 2022, the GDP of the United States economy was negative. And the technical definition of a recession is 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP, gross domestic product. So I'm thinking to myself, these guys may be onto something here. Maybe the recession is over. Maybe the recession did happen in 2022. And now we're in the beginning stages of a new bull market in the stock market. Obviously, you're going to have the people who are bearish out there. They're going to say, no, that's not true. Look at this. And then you're going to have the people that are bullish out there that say, yep, I agree 100% with it. So you just got to figure out where you're at in that equation, right? And the way I look at it is I'm more on the bullish side. I just am, because I've been through these cycles in the stock market before, guys. You know, I went through the last Great Recession, which was the 2008 recession, and I saw how the stock market over time just continued to pick up steam. And I saw the money that I put in 2008, the small amount of money I was putting in every single month through dollar cost averaging, I saw that just continue to grow and grow and grow over the last 13 years or so. At some point, the stock market has to rebound. That's what history tells us. And I think it's 2023. You got inflation since June of 2022, which was the high mark for inflation. Now, again, that goes back to that recession thing in 2022, right? You got the first 2 quarters of 2022, GDP was negative. And then you have inflation at its highest level in 40-something years at 9% in June of 2022. So most people are saying the bottom of the market was really around 3rd quarter 2022. Because if you look at the S&P 500 from October through right now, it's up by, I believe, around 20%. Don't quote me on that. Go out and do your own research. But based on my statistical gathering of data, that's what I came up with. So what I'm telling you is, be investing, man. Be investing. It's better to be in the market than trying to time the market. Now, there are some people out there going to say, well, hey, I can pull my money out and I put my money over in some high yield savings account, high yield money market account, US treasuries, and I'm getting, 4% return on my money right now. And that's pretty dang on good. But see, here's the type of investor I am. I'd rather be in the market, man, because I never know when that thing is just going to go to the moon. And it ain't going to give you a warning. It's just going to go. And I'd much rather have my money in the market negative, 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 and then all of a sudden, boom, I get a 25% return on my money in a 2-week period of time when the thing just explodes. Now, had I taken my money out of the market and put it in that 4% money market or that 4% treasury bond, I would have missed that. I'm going to miss that upside. Again, guys, I'm not telling you that's what you need to do. I'm just telling you that's my financial train of thought, is keep my money in the market. Keep buying at a discount. Yep, it might be negative return like it was in 2022. Negative return, didn't make a dime. But guess what I did do? I bought through dollar cost averaging discounted investments, discounted paper assets. And at some point, those assets that I bought at those deep discounts in 2022, they're going to flourish again. Why? Because they're blue chip. They're S&P 500 ETF and index fund investments. So they're going to flourish at some point. And I believe they're already starting to do that. I think the stock market is getting ready to flip. And when it does, I think, man, for us that really doubled down in 2022 are doubling down in 2023, I think we're going to start seeing some rewards. Again, though, this is just the beginning stages of it, in my opinion. I think the tail end of 2023 is really where we're going to start seeing things pick up in the market. And again, guys, I'm no financial advisor. I'm not trying to tell you what to do. I'm just giving you my opinion. You're more than welcome to go out and do your own homework and come up with your own opinion. I'm just giving you what I believe. So that's why, for me, my money, the bulk of it that I'm investing, is going to continue going into paper assets. Make sure you have a game plan for this. Hopefully, you have considered buying paper assets. Hopefully, you have considered buying S&P 500 index funds and ETFs that track the S&P. Hopefully you are in the market and not sitting on the sideline trying to time the market. You can't win that game, guys. I can't win that game. I'd just rather be in the market because I know when it hits, it hits. March 2022, when the pandemic broke, everything went crazy. Market went down so fast. People were scurrying to get out of the market. The people who had some foresight and said, I'm going to look at this as an opportunity to buy. Those people made so much money, man. I was one of those people, by the way. I was one of those people that said, something, instead of running away from the market, I'm going to run to the market. Because at some point, all of these blue chip companies that are going down in value right now because of the pandemic fears, eventually the fears will go away and those things are going to go to the moon. And I made quite a bit of money by doing that strategy. I'm not saying that's the same strategy that I'm doing in 2023 because it's different. But my point is, being in the market is better than trying to time the market. If you're really trying to grow long-term wealth, if you're in here just trying to day trade and all that kind of stuff, who knows what's going to happen for you. But if you're really trying to buy assets to build wealth for the long term, the next 3, 5, 7, 10 years, listen, man, consider it. Consider this conversation I'm having with you through this video. Consider it. If you want them 12 free stocks from Webull, click on that link down in the description box. Open up that new Webull account today. It's free stock and it's free buddy. So I'm not sure what's the hesitation. And it's a pretty dang on good self-directed brokerage app that I use every single day, guys. So link down in the description box. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.